This is the Bangladeshi style besi cooking. The first thing I'm gonna boil them, then I'm gonna show you how I clean the beans. Look, here is 2 kg of beans. Now I'm gonna clean them. So now all of the 2 kg beans is ready to be cooked in the pot. I already added 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 small size garlic chopped in and 2 medium-sized onion. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder. Now add beans and cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, here I'm adding boiled fish in and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now 20 minutes later is ready to be served.